What if I told you there are 5 AI-powered ways to make money while you sleep in 2025 and anyone can start for free? Stay tuned to unlock your passive income machine today. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced hustler, these ideas are practical, scalable, and perfect for today's AI-powered world. If you want to unlock new income streams, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. AI tools can automate content creation, marketing, customer support, and even generate creative work, all without needing constant input from you. This means you can build systems that work 24/7, generating revenue even you are offline. With the rapid advances in AI, it's easier than ever to start passive income streams using technology anyone can access. Now let's dive into the best 5 AI-powered ideas to help you make money while you sleep. You don't need to be on camera or record your own voice anymore. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write scripts, Pictory to Synthesia to generate videos, and 11 Labs for realistic voiceovers. Pick a niche like tech reviews, finance tips, or motivational quotes, then create and upload videos regularly. Monetize with YouTube ads, affiliate links, or sponsored content. Once set up, your channel can earn passive income day and night. Next is creating AI-generated digital products like ebooks, planners, printables, and templates. Use ChatGPT to write ebooks or guides, Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create art or designs, and Canva to assemble everything beautifully. Sell these products on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Digital products are great because they require no inventory and can sell infinitely with minimal upkeep. Affiliate marketing means promoting other companies' products and earning commissions on sales. Use AI to create blog posts, product reviews, and email newsletters that attract buyers. Tools like Jasper and ChatGPT can help write persuasive content quickly. Automate social media posters with scheduling tools and let AI analyze that work best. This system builds up over time, generating passive income with minimal daily effort. AI art generators like Midjourney or Doll-E can create stunning images based on simple prompts. You can sell digital art on Etsy, use it for print-on-demand products, or mint NFTs on marketplaces like OpenSea. NFTs are digital collectibilities that can appreciate in value and earn royalties or resell. This is a hot and emerging market for creative entrepreneurs. Set up chatbots on websites or social media pages to interact with visitors, answer questions, and collect contact info automatically. Use ChatGPT-powered chatbots or platforms like ManyChat to build them without coding. Then sell these leads to businesses or offer chatbot setup and monthly service packages. Once configured, the chatbot works 24/7 to generate potential customers for you. Now, how do you get started? Pick one of the ideas that excites you most, learn the free or affordable AI tools involved, build a simple MVF minimum viable product or service, market it through social media, freelancing sites, or your own channels, automate as much as possible, and reinvest profits to grow. Remember, passive income takes time and effort upfront, but AI helps you do it faster and smarter. That's it for today. 5 AI-powered passive income ideas you can start in 2025 to make money while you sleep. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss my AI journey and making money tips. Comment below which AI passive income idea will you start first. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.